One of the flanges wasn't very nice here where the seal runs, so I've taken it down to JP's because he's done so many of these. He puts his own type of speedy sleeve on. Now here's a speedy sleeve here that somebody put on. It's a very thin piece of metal and it goes on with a special tool. Well, you can see even the speedy sleeve's got a great big groove in it. I don't know why that is. I'm not sure if that's where it's supposed to be, but I'm not very impressed. And if you look carefully, you can see where it's worn through there. So what JP does for me, we take the studs out, and then he's got a flange, an opposite flange that he made on his lathe. So it's got a boss sticking out of here, so that he bolts this to the lathe, turns this section down here just ever so slightly, and then he makes a bushing out of pretty hard steel, not stainless or anything like that, but hard steel. Heats up the bush, puts it on this so it's a shrink fit, turns it to a rough size, and then puts it through his grinder. He's got one of them big grinders that turns for outside diameters, and polishes it up so it's like new. That saves us buying a new one, and because of the hardness of the steel it'll be better than new. Right, I got my flange back from JP's shop, and this is it here. I sandblasted the original, all the paint off and stuff like that, and stripped the flinger off here and the bolts, but that's the finish, and you can hardly see where the sleeve went. It's made out of 4140 steel, that's in North America grade. In the description I'll put the equivalent in European stuff, but it's kind of hard. It's a good metal to use, and it's nice to grind. As you can see the finish on there, when you run your nail across, it's beautiful. That is going to last an awful long time. So instead of us buying new flanges which are really soft, put those on. They'll last a long time, and if they are going to leak, it's going to be the seal that wears out, not the flange, because like I say, shipping one of these across is kind of expensive. Talking about expensive, I'll put a little flash screen here about that speedy sleeve. Anyway, so that's it. We say goodbye to speedy sleeves. I'm going to now mask off this surface here, paint this, degrease it, paint it, put the bolts back in. The bolts were perfect, and the little flinger that holds it on, and we've got a good thing, a good flange to put back on Eric's box. You know, it's going to be a nice job. I always like the things that JP does. He does some really nice stuff. He's working on something else of mine at the moment as well. Top secret though. See you later.